Hey, my name is Jonny Bradley and I'm a seven-figure entrepreneur, and that's, to be honest, thanks to Ed. So if you're thinking of working with him, definitely do it. There's been times in my life, in my professional career, where I've had doubts. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to get to the next level, how to create that relationship that's going to really help me succeed. And Ed's the person that I always turn to in the good times and the bad times. And the incredible thing about Ed is that he has so many experiences and so much theory to back it up with. There's always something he can help with in a really authentic way, and he's always helped someone else do it, and he's always been through things himself, and it's really nice to be able to have that connection with someone and to be able to really not be alone in this journey. When I started working with Ed, I was doing okay, but it wasn't, crazy seven figures. And he's been able to just interject at the right times to be able to make massive differences in my business that they certainly wouldn't have happened without him. So if you're thinking about working with him, do it. Don't look back. It'll probably be one of the best decisions you've ever made, not just for your own business, but for yourself, for your family, for your clients, for their families. It really has impacted every level of my life. So thank you, Ed. I really appreciate everything you do for me. And yeah, that's it. See you later.